Drooling in your sleep is a common occurrence and usually nothing to worry about. However, excessive drooling, known as siluria, can be bothersome and sometimes indicate underlying health issues. Here are 6 reasons why people drool while asleep. 1. Sleeping position. One of the most common causes of drooling is your sleeping position. When you sleep on your side or stomach, gravity causes saliva to pool in your mouth and leak out. Sleeping on your back can help prevent excessive drooling. 2. Mouth breathing. People who breathe through their mouths while sleeping are more likely to drool. Nasal congestion, allergies, or a deviated septum can force you to breathe through your mouth, leading to excessive saliva escaping. 3. Excess saliva production. Certain medical conditions, medications, or even spicy foods before bedtime can trigger increased saliva production. Neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease or acid reflux may also contribute to excessive drooling. 4. Swallowing difficulties. If you have trouble swallowing while asleep, saliva can build up in your mouth and escape. Conditions such as stroke, multiple sclerosis, or muscular dystrophy can cause difficulty in swallowing, dysphagia, leading to drooling. 5. Sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, can lead to mouth breathing and excessive drooling. If drooling is accompanied by snoring, choking, or excessive daytime fatigue, it may be a sign of sleep apnea. 6. Medication side effects. Certain medications, particularly those used for psychiatric disorders, can increase saliva production or affect muscle control, making it harder to keep saliva inside the mouth. While occasional drooling is normal, excessive or persistent drooling may indicate an underlying issue. If you experience severe drooling alongside other symptoms, consult a doctor for further evaluation and possible treatment options.